Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Jeep Grand Cherokee, that generation right here, if you want to find where fuses relays for the engine starter are located. Stay with us, we'll talk about that, guys. What you need to check, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Engine starter, fuses and relays come to explain where you can find them on that generation Jeep Grand Cherokee, guys. What we need to do first, we need to go ahead and open the hood. The moment you open the hood, facing the engine on the left side here, on the passenger side, that's your fuse box. You see these clips present together, lift the cover up, and underneath, guys, okay, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we, guys, continue, now that's for 2014 to 2022 year fuse box layout. This is 2011 to 13. We'll explain about both, but let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. And here, guys, what we need to check specifically, let's talk about that now. So if you have 2014 to 2022, most likely the fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number, let me show you, fuse number 7. See that fuse right here? That's the one. And relay, guys, K7, this one here. These two components will need to be checked. If you have a 2011 to 2013, okay, things will differ completely. You need to specifically now locate fuse number J17 right here. Okay, that's JK's fuse number 17, and relay K3. Now you wonder where it's located. That relay, guys, right here. Okay, so this fuse and that relay will need to be checked, guys. If you want to see, if you have the 3.6 V6 engine, want to see how to replace the engine starter, okay, that engine will be used in multiple Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler vehicles. We have a special video on the channel that will explain how to do that. Check it out if you need help with that. We're here to save you as much money as we can. Guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JK's mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays, usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.